check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. We get it, we get it. JDZ in the studio.
You got what?
Big dog.
What do you got?
Tennessee Walking Hound.
Tennessee Walking.
Yeah, dude, very unknown. It's like a
awesome.
giant foxhound.
Is this Protos?
Yes. Alright, I'm just gonna run it through so you can kind of give me a live check. You want me to start it kind of where it was?
Yeah, sure. Start over from wherever. I don't really care. Because the art is just a fun. Can we take the vocals down in the headphones? It's too much delay.
Let me take off
There you go.
Check. Much better. My bad, bring it back. Just bring it. Where are you starting? It's like 20 seconds in, right? Yeah, alright. This is the art of living, this is the craft of life. They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. Say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. Say you only live once. Live like the starving artist, but we do this shit regardless. Cause the art is just a part of us, they can't tear it off the heart of us, yo. It's just the spark in us that keeps on pushing, arching up like we on the yoga strut. Come open the chakras up. Tug of war, got my hands falling bloody and raw.
Nice jump.
Alright, I'm good.
You're good? Okay. Yeah, I just want to go through and, like I said, I'll nail the choruses. We'll go back one more time and I'll put the cues in for them, and then we'll bring them in.
So start from the beginning?
Yeah, start from the beginning.
Jesus, that's scary. They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. Say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. Go. This is the art of living, this is the craft of life. They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. Say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. Living a life of starving artists, but we do this shit regardless. Cause the art is just a part of us, they can't take it with the heart of us, yo. It's just a spark in us that keeps on pushing up like we on the yoga strut. Come open the chakras up.
Bitch. Yo, it's my dog right here. Say your dog? Hey, yo, it's my homie right here. We smoke weed in the studio.
Go, go.
Yo, got my
What kind of mic is this?
I kick a verse, this verse will live a light into this universe. Get those spark is all it takes to get the close the verse. Is it get the gap, or is this just a curse?
300.
Really? I think I want another mic.
AKG 214, that's the one without the patterns.
Yeah.
Yo, mad clear. Hey.
Enough.
This is the art of living, this is the craft of life. They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. Say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. Say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight.
Sit.
Yo.
Should be going.
Yo, let's just circle around this mic right now.
Alright.
Alright, so
Why am I doing this? She says.
I'll have them play it through once, so you guys can kind of hear where everything's going. Basically, all the little goes, I do a go, followed by ho. Basically, that's what you guys have to do. Like I said, I'll have them play it through so you guys can kind of catch the cues. Pretty simple.
How do you want it to sound? Just do it? Or like...
Yeah, just do it like you're having a party, like you're having a good time. You jam out to a song and you just have them all be in sync. Check it out. You guys are fucking genius. can't hear you guys. Can hear me.
I can hear it too.
Go! Go! Oh!
I don't know when
Miss it.
How long should we bring out the hoe?
We'll get it down.
How long is this hoeing?
Go! Go!
How long is this hoeing?
Oh!
I keep missing it.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Don't be afraid to yell.
Oh!
Hose!
Okay,
You should
need to
come
clear
in
my
here.
throat.
Keep us on. I don't know where.
Go! Go!
That's good.
Oh!
One more time.
One more.
I think we got it. Don't speak
We'll get
after
it.
Oh, I missed that one. Just complete silence. That was good. This will sound really sick.
Corey, get in there.
I'm just listening.
You're supposed to talk too.
Then get out of the fucking circle.
Go! Go!
That was so soft. Like,
You done.
Alright, one more time.
Yeah, give us this kick.
Come here. Yo, here we go.
Go! Go! Ho! Ho!
Yeah, Jack.
That was so funny.
It's funny because I don't hear it, so you guys are all just like bouncing to like nothing, and then it's like go, go.
Alright, alright.
We have to do it first though.
Nah, you play.
3 hoes and a go.
3 hoes and a go.
Here we go.
Ho! 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 Go!
Missed it.
Let's do that again.
Ho! 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 Go! Ho! 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 Go! Ho! Ho! Ho!
Sorry.
No, no.
4 times, he said?
Yeah.
So we have to do 3 hoes and a go 4 times.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a big deal.
I don't know.
Run.
Oh,
Then
that's
we have to do. Then you guys got to do the chorus.
Okay.
we gotta do more hoes.
Problem, man.
No more hoes.
Oh yes.
Ho! 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 Go! Ho! 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 Go! Ho! 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 Go! Ho! 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 Go!
You guys are fighting over here. I'm laughing. Every time we say ho, she smacks my ass.
Oh, go.
Oh, I'm gonna squeeze.
Nicole, can we
This isn't a place to text.
He's jealous. Can I even touch you?
You sound really good listening to
Hey, we should record.
I see skies
Alright. Last one we gotta do. Oh boy. Interrupted something.
Give me some privacy.
We'll let you know. The last part we're gonna do is the hook. Alright, so repeat after me. This is the art of living.
This is the art of living.
This is the craft of life.
This is the craft of life.
They say you only live once,
They say you only live once,
but we're immortal tonight.
but we're immortal tonight.
This is the art of living.
This is the art of living.
This is the craft of life.
This is the craft of
They
life.
say you only live once,
They say you only live
but
once,
we're immortal tonight.
but we're immortal tonight.
Alright.
Again, ready? Just
Do it
us.
without me. Do it without me.
This is the art of living. This is the craft of life.
Sounds like we're in church right now, right?
Alright.
You got it, Goose?
Now you can practice it. Practice it with the track.
This is gonna be
This is the art of living.
This is the craft of life.
We have to say it like he said it.
But we're immortal tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna listen to it.
Immortal tonight. Alright.
This is the craft of life.
We're immortal.
Immortal, not immoral.
We're immoral.
This is the art of living, this is the craft of life. They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight.
Oh God, this is
Yo, we should have recorded that. Alright.
Are we gonna keep going?
This is the art of living, this is the craft of life.
So how many times do we do it?
God, let's write this down.
Come on, Jack. This is a song for your movie. You should know
Do we
this.
do it once or twice?
I said you should know this.
I should what?
Know this.
Alright guys, we do that
The art
twice
of
in a
living,
row.
this is the craft of
Alright.
life.
They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight.
This is the art of living, this is the craft of life. They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight. They say you only live once, but we're immortal tonight.
Mikey's singing, dude.
I didn't know you repeat that.
Fucking mean, dudes.
That sounds wicked good.
Thanks, guys. That's it. That's all you guys. Y'all get your checks in the mail.
Yeah.
Out of Jay's pocket.
We all need a group picture.
It is banging.
Buddy's gonna be in it.
Butted it out.
With butter smack dab in the middle.
That was fucking sick.
That was painless. Usually when you get a lot of people,
Yeah.
everyone trying to do the same thing.
Yeah, I'm
We're good
surprised.
together.
That
We
was
spent
what-
a lot of time
You guys did
together.
that in like a half hour.
Yeah,
It's
that
pretty
was-
damn good.
That was efficient.
Yo, he rapes that shit.
Even though.
Now let's record some goofy shit.